I will explain makeup tools. Number 1. Mascara wand. This wand is all you need to apply liquid mascara. Number 2. Eyelash curler. For shaping and curling eyelash and to make eyes look thinner and brighter. Number 3. Brown and eyelash brush. This brush shapes unruly lashes and brows. Number 4. Foundation brush. For a smooth, even coverage with liquid on cream foundation. Number 5. Lip brush. For precise application of lipstick. Number 6. Shader brush. For blending eyeshadow. Number 7. Blush brush. Great for applying blush or bronzer to cheeks. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.